Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw USDT in Poppo Live for 2025. If you're into crypto and live streaming apps like Poppo Live, this guide will help you cash out your USDT smoothly and securely. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable choice for transactions without wild price swings. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, ensure you have the Poppo Live app downloaded on your device and that your account is verified. This is crucial for withdrawals to go through without hitches. Okay. Step 1. Open the Poppo Live app and log in with your registered credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your info. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or dashboard. Look for the Wallet or Assets section. It's usually at the bottom or in a menu. Here, you'll see your available balances, including USDT. Step 3. Select your USDT balance and tap on the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. You'll be prompted to enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 4. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum limits or fees, so check those details in the app. After that, verify any security measures like a PIN, email confirmation, or two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection against scams. Step 5. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once done, you'll get a notification, and your USDT should appear in your external wallet. A quick tip. Always use a reputable wallet for receiving USDT, and keep an eye on current fees or network congestion to avoid delays. That's it for this guide. Withdrawing USDT in Poppo Live is straightforward once you know the steps. If you run into any issues, reach out to Poppo Live's support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.